history in books, but in all the old times when men did not exist of books could have been written. How how then can we find out what happens then? We cannot merely sit down and imagine everything. This would be very interesting for we could imagine anything we wanted to know would thus make up the most beautiful fairy tales. But this need not be true, as it would not be based on any facts then we had seen. But although we have no books written in there's far of this. Fortunately, we have some things which tell us a great ideal as well almost as a book. So, continue read and books would. We have rocks and mountains and seas and stars and rivers and restaurants about falls of all animals. There's there's and others like kings are our books for the arts early story. And the real way to understand this story is not merely to read about in our people's books but go to the great book of nature itself. You will, I hope, soon begin to try this. I learned how to read history from the rocks and mountains. Imagine how fascinating it is. Every little stone that you see lying in on road of the mountain side may be a little page in nature's book and may be able to tell you something if you only know how to read it. Now, to be able to read a language, Hindi or Urdu or English, you have to learn its alphabet. So also you must learn the alphabet of nature before you can read her story in the books of stone and rock. Even now perfect and know a little how to read this. How to read this. If you see a little rounds, does is not tell you something. How did get round and smooth and surface without any corners of right edges. If you break a big rock into small bits, each bit is round and his corner and round